B2B business and your sales still live in spreadsheets, WhatsApp chats, and your team's memory, this series is for you. Stay with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you exactly what we are going to fix together. Hi, I'm Shagun. Welcome to the Auxit channel. So what is Auxit? Auxit comes from the idea of organize it. It aims to organize your business operations and sales on one single system. Hence, it's an all-in-one CRM built for B2B teams. But let me say that in normal language because CRM means different things to different people. Most growing businesses run their sales on a pile of spreadsheets. One file is for leads, another file is for quotations, another for orders, someone's tracking payments in their own sheet, and the inventory count is a guess. Everyone's working hard, no doubt, but the information is scattered and the things are slipped quite often. Deals go cold, codes get lost, payments get forgotten, stocks get run out right when you've made the sale. Auxit takes all of that and puts it in a single organized place so that your whole team can see it. All the teams, that is sales, estimation, accounts, operations, service, now start working from the same screen instead of their own version of truth. So over the next few videos, I'm going to walk you through a complete lead to payment collection and inventory management system, built the way real B2B businesses actually work, not the way software companies think they should work. Now here's a part that I want you to hear clearly because it's what people worry about the most. We do not ask you to change how your business works. A lot of software want you to bend your processes to fit their tools. We do the opposite. Auxit is built around your existing process, the way you already quote, approve quotes, follow up. Your team keeps working the way they know and the way they should, just without the spreadsheets and the chaos. And it's flexible. This series will be the most useful to you if you are a manufacturer, a manufacturer's representative, a distributor, or a service-based business. We work with people across HVAC, industrial equipment, building materials, electrical, chemicals, IT, distribution, and more. So here's what I am going to do across this series. Instead of one long, overwhelming demo, I've broken the system into individual modules, each with its own short video. We'll cover the following modules. First, lead management and quotation. Second, sales order management. Third, dispatch and feedback. Fourth, invoice and payment collection. Fifth, purchase from manufacturer with inventory. And sixth would be collaborations module. So stay with me in the series till the end to understand how the B2B businesses actually work, what are the workflows, and how Auxit can create value for your company. Thank you so much. Starting with the demo, here is the front login page of Auxit. The name of the system is s2sdemo2.auxit.com. So every company will have their system name as follows, like the company.auxit.com. Then this is the login page of Auxit from where you actually enter the workspace. You can add your login credentials and you can simply click on login. This is the dashboard or the landing page of your Auxit workspace. This is how your workspace looks like. This is the button which takes you inside the actual workflow. This is the dashboard, and here you can see there are multiple dashboards we have designed for the system. This system currently has 6 dashboards, including the default dashboard. I can switch between dashboards. These dashboards are customized and designed according to every single module. If I click on customer database, it will lead me to the customer database dashboard having related reports, that is number of customers by type, report number 1, and number of customers by source, report number 2. These reports are actually the widgets since they are pinned on the dashboard. Inside the system, they are again called reports. In the next video, we will see that how we can actually go on about module by module with every single phase of the workflow inside Auxit. Thank you so much.